The neutral wire from the circuit breaker and the load are connected together and then connected to the terminal on the far right labeled N. Next, I'm going to insert the wire connected to the load. This goes into the terminal labeled O next to the neutral wire. The live wire from the circuit breaker is connected into the terminal labeled L. The input for the switch is connected into the other terminal labeled L. The two outputs from the switch are inserted into the last two terminals labeled S1 and S2. Place the relay inside the wall box and attach the switch. Then attach the plastic cover and switches and you are done.